Hello, YouTube. Does your hair have a tendency for dryness? Does it get frizzy as it reaches out into the atmosphere in search of much-needed moisture? If you're pulling up to my channel as a natural curly girl like myself, I already know the answer is yes. I'm only asking as a formality. Put that back. We're not ready for that yet. Today, you've come to the right channel because we're spiking our run-of-the-mill ordinary conditioner with natural, potent, moisturizing ingredients. The star players of the day are hibiscus powder and aloe vera powder. Where did you get these powders, you might ask? Amazon girl, what can't you get on Amazon? What you can get is anything from a box of rocks to a voyage to the sun. Actually, now that I think about it, I'm going to suggest the moon trip. Because, unless you like that kind of thing, and then it's whatever. But back to the conditioner. I'm putting 1 teaspoon of hibiscus and 1 teaspoon of aloe vera into my little bowl here. You can put in more, you can put in less. Depends on your hair thickness, length, density. Just let your hair decide. Try one amount and then tweak it for the next time. Next comes a liquid, aloe vera juice or water. Either one, I'm not judging you. Put enough in just to make a paste and then mix it up. Mixa, 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 and pour, pour, and bake our cake. Dun-na. Based on your past experiences, your mix should be starting to resemble either yummy chocolate or runny poop from a tube-fed patient. That's if you're in direct patient care like me. The color is a little off, and sometimes the poo is a little more runny than this, but it's hardly ever chunky. Here, let's get you a closer look. Oh yeah, that's about right when you're having flashbacks. But behold, what is this? Is this girl still wiping her nose with paper towels? I forgot to buy tissues. I hope I still have that coupon for a free box.
Are you giving it away?
Instant winner.
Are you giving it away?
What? Okay, quick trip to Albertsons. But the boy is still wet. Don't you feel that this boy would have been the cutest girl? I already have 4 of them. 4 girls, but he can be a boy if he wants to be. I'm just saying. He'd be a really cute girl. Okay, so diffuse. It doesn't have to be all the way dry, does it? We're just going to Albertsons. Okay, let's get this diffuser off and get down to business. There could be more instant winners in this pile. We can't go to the store and leave free stuff in the floor. All hands on deck, please. Okay, 4 instant wins from that big old pile. But that's 4 free things. While we're at it, let's just fix all the little pieces to the board. While we're at it. He's waving hi to the Walmart where his grandpa works. He used to be an NCIS agent. Now he's retired and is the oldest man at the Walmart. That may actually be his title. Onward. Delta tissue trail mix iced beverage.
Those are all the things we can get with those?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, right here. This one, let's get these. These are better.
I think it's just the right one. Oh, you can't get it. It says Signature Home or Signature Select. That's the store brand. Haha. Okay.
Put this in the basket. And what's next?
Okay, let's see here.
Why is this so fun?
Roasted and salted is variety. See where
Mom?
it says that?
Why'd you say a bad word in one of your videos?
What? What
Remember?
are you talking about?
I was watching, okay? But why?
Oh, I don't know.
I thought you were family friendly.
I am.
Well, then why would you curse?
That's not a bad word. People say that on TV.
The B word?
Yeah. People say it on TV.
And? Family friendly, Missy.
Yeah, but it's fine to plastic.
Oh, so I can say it whenever I want then?
No.
Exactly.
Whoa. Note to self, the boy watches my videos all the way through. Whichever one. Is that the one? I'm telling you. Success. We paid $0 at the register, and Holly got her much-needed tissues. Now, what were we doing? Oh yeah, the conditioner. It's so hard to make a straight-up video up in here. Now, you can use whatever cheap conditioner you want. We're the ones putting in the good stuff. Just try to make sure it says moisturizing on it and not strengthening. We're moisturizing today. Mixa, mixa, mixa. I'm sorry, guys, I can't sing. Did you already click off this video? Well, it's starting to look less like tube-feeding poop and more like chocolate to me. So that must mean we're almost done. Mixa, mixa. Okay, what's next? I have an assortment of essential oils. These are all scalp stimulating and encourages hair growth. I've got peppermint here. I mean, you can use whatever. Peppermint here. And this tea tree, I have to force myself to use tea tree. It smells so bad. It's got this medicinal quality to it, but it is better than poop. So in it goes. Well, that's all the essential oils I put in. I didn't put in the others. I just like to have a variety there so I can choose. Next is an oil. I've got grapeseed oil here. You can use grapeseed. You can use olive oil. You can use jojoba. Whatever. Just put it in. Just a little dab will do you. Mix it up and then we're done. So this goes on your hair after you wash it. Put on a heat cap for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. After that, style as you will, and then you're done. I wasn't going to throw in results video because in actuality, this is the same day I did my clay wash. But you gotta have the money shot. My results aren't super duper, but here they are. And if you made it this far with me through this video, bless you. And you should probably subscribe because it was probably meant to be. So I'll catch you next time. Until then, mwah. Using paper towels.
She's taking a picture of me, Brady.